Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use green screen feature in CapCut. This is perfect if you want to replace your background with an image, video or effect. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your CapCut on your PC and then you need to create a new project. Afterwards, you need to import the video with the green background and also import the background image or the video that you want to use. As you can see, I have both here in my CapCut account. So over here, first of all, you need to just drag and drop the background image. After that, you need to drag and drop the image with the green screen or the video with the green screen, just like so. You need to make sure that the green screen video is above your background, as you can see, just like this one. After that, you need to select the video which has the green background, and here you will see the option of video. In the video, by default you will be on this basic option, so click on the option of remove BG. Over here, enable Chroma Key, then select this color picker. Now once you select this color picker, you need to come here and select the green screen. Now as you can see over here, our green background is now removed and now we left with only the video. Now you can place this video wherever you want on this background. So once you are done with it, simply click on the export option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Give your project the name. You can also select the export location, select the resolution, and you can also make changes into the bitrate, codec, format and frame rate. So you can do it as per your need. Once done, click on the option of export and simply export this video on your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.